Hi, good morning, guys. This is your girl Growwithniki. It's a beautiful Thursday morning here in St. Vincent, despite whatever is happening. Well, I woke up, with the intention to go to the spa because I am due for a pedicure, right? But then outside is giving me a whole lot of vibes. Let me show all you. I am not the type, to go out when it's raining, and I am seeing on Facebook that some places are flooded and whatever, so that is just some icing on the cake. I am not going anywhere today, so let me just show you guys how outside it's looking. Flooded in my area much, but this is enough for me to stay at home because I do not like when it's raining. The rain was falling a lot a couple of hours ago, well, not a couple of hours, but the rain was falling more than this, like probably 20 minutes ago when I woke up. But yeah, this is how the place is looking, and some places are flooded. I'm seeing landslides, houses, and it's really frightening out there. My sister went out to work. She had to come back home. When she got to work, they told her to go back home because it doesn't make sense, going there, because it's a complete disaster in Kingston and in Arnesville area because all over is flooded. But through it all, I just want to say glory be to God still for another day. We still have life, and despite all of that flooding and raining, it is still a good thing, because we still have life. So we are still, thanking God for everything and, all that he have done and what he's going to continue to do for us. Yeah. But I believe that this rain is just going to wash the ash, off the earth, off of St. Vincent, because the place has been really, really dusty, since the eruptions of the last volcano. So I am hoping that all these ash are gone, when all this rain is finished, all the rain is ceased and all of that stuff. So yeah. So I'm just gonna share some footage with you, of the flooding in Kingston and Arnesville, and the surrounding areas, because I have a couple of videos, not a lot, but yeah, a couple. So I'm just gonna share that with you. I'm not sure when I will get to upload this video because I have been really busy, since the eruption of the last volcano. I have been very busy, so it's Thursday now though, but I don't know when I will get to upload the video. All right, so yeah,
this is Rabuka Bridge. You see, you railing for the bridge, them get wash away. Watch out. This happened last night. I try to away phone from water to it. Watch. I tell you, you really like it fall up in the mountain steady. Look. So you really know for the bridge them. Look at it. Wash away. Wash out. But pretty self alright. Look. Vehicle can't pass it right now, yeah. Look at it. See? Lovely. Okay? Allez.
Oh my. very, very scary because I said this is not any, I mean, this is like I said, ordinary propane waste. It was just made of sanitary.
The river is overflowing. Oh my gosh. The rain has stopped. But they say, look at the clouds. And I can't even see the Grenadine Islands. I'm accustomed to seeing the Grenadine Islands, you know, when it's really, really hot and sunny. The sky is blue, but now I am unable to see any of the islands. So that is to tell you how cloudy they are. I usually see them down in that, you know, region, in the region right here. And that's my favorite mountain, the Kings Hill Forest Reserve. It have a lot of fog on it. So yeah, the rain has stopped now, but the place is really, really cloudy on a Monday evening. So it's Monday, like a couple days after the flooding, and oh, like this morning it was like so sunny, like the sun was so shining a lot. Because I was in town, it was shining a lot. My skin was scorching and all from the sun. Then later down in the day it started to rain. Look at that. You know, it's really amazing, you know, like how the place can just transform like instantly from hot and sunny to, you know, beautiful and rainy. Either way it is, it's beautiful, okay? Yeah, so it's raining now. I just came from town, so yeah, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna dig in. I bought some food in town. Let me show you guys what I have. I bought this seafood from Seafood Delight. It has shrimps, it has fish, I believe it is salmon, some corn, and vegetables, of course. So good. So I'm just going to dig in because I'm really hungry. And this is what I usually do. Yeah. So I'm gonna go and, you know, enjoy this cool, nice weather.